Hi there, I'm Sean Doman. In this video, I'll be unboxing this new Fujitsu ScanSnap iX1300 and showing you everything that's inside the box. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please check out my video in which I review the iX1300 in action. If you decide to purchase an iX1300, please use my link below so that I'll get a small commission from Amazon, which will help support me and my channel. Okay, so before I open the box, I'll show you what's on all of the different sides. This is the top, it's just got the ScanSnap logo. This is the front, it's just got the image of the scanner and the logo. This is the bottom, nothing interesting there. This is the side, which tells us that we want this side of the box to be up. Keep it dry, it can be a bit fragile. It's about 3 kilograms, and here's some information about the serial number and the part number and stuff like that. To open the box, I will use my trusty box cutter as always, and I will set the blade to a very short distance so that we are not causing any damage when we cut the tape and open up the box. So I'll just cut into it like that. Put that away. Okay, open the box like this. So as with other Fujitsu products, when you open the top, the box actually tells you what's inside. So here I see we have a USB cable. I think this is a power cable. This is probably the instructions, and then this is the various packing materials and the scanner unit itself. So open up like this. Aha, okay. So this is a warranty card, and this is a getting started card. If you'd like copies of either of these documents, please take a look in the description section below, and I will include links to scanned copies. Okay, so I'll start with this stuff on the side. I see that we've got an AC adapter unit. I'll put that to the side for now. And then I will lift this out of the box kind of carefully, set that on the tabletop. Okay, so here's the scanner unit itself. I'm going to put this to the side and finish emptying out the box, and then I'll come back to this. Okay, so we'll pull this out of the box. So this is actually like a little caddy that is holding whatever's inside of here. I think this is probably the instruction manual and the USB cable. We're just going to open this up and see what's inside. And there we go. So we've got a USB cable, power cable, some kind of a document about safety precautions, and that's all that's in this box. So I'm going to set this to the side as well. Okay, so to summarize everything that's in the box, here we have the iX1300 unit itself. We've got a USB cable, a power cable that plugs into the AC adapter. We've got a warranty guide, a getting started guide, and a safety precaution guide. Okay, so now I'll take all the documentation off the table and we will just look at the cables. Okay, so looking at the cables one by one, this is the USB cable, this is the power cable, and this is the AC adapter unit. Okay, so now to get to the iX1300 unit itself, here it is in this bag. Okay, now that I've taken it out of the bag, I see that it has this tape all over it, so I'm going to remove these strips one by one. So I should mention at this point that this product comes in either black or white, and as you can see, this is the black model. And when everything is closed on this scanner, it is 11.7 inches wide, it's 4.5 inches deep, and it's 3.3 inches tall. However, when all of the chutes are open and all of the pieces are extended, it's 11.7 inches wide, 9.7 inches deep, and 9.5 inches tall. Also, this unit weighs about 4.4 pounds. Okay, now that I've taken all of the tape off, this is the complete iX1300. Let's take a look at the sides and the top and the bottom and the inside of the scanner. So this is the top of the scanner unit. As we see, there is a single scan button here, the ScanSnap logo. If we open this up and then actually press this again, this opens up the chute or the guide for putting paper into the scanner, and then we can actually pull up on this to make it even longer. And that's how that works. So I'll just push this back down, put this into here, and then close it up like that. Okay, turning to the front of the unit. So this is the chute where you can insert paper to be scanned in the front as opposed to on the top. We've got a little light here, I believe, to show whether it's connected by Wi-Fi or not. The Energy Star logo. Moving to the bottom of the unit. So here's the bottom. Nothing much to see here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little kind of pads that will make sure that the scanner stays kind of gripped to the desktop and doesn't move around. That's a good thing. Moving to the right side, there's nothing on this side at all. As you can see, it's just a clean side. Okay, looking at the other side of the scanner, this is where the power adapter is plugged in. This is the USB cable slot where you plug in the USB cable. And this is a Kensington lock slot, which is a very useful thing if you want to be able to lock this scanner up when you're not using it. You can lock it to your desktop or whatever you need to do to make sure that it's secure. Moving to the back of the unit, there is a switch here for Wi-Fi. This is on. And there's also a button here for WPS, which you can use to connect the scanner to a WPS compatible network. That concludes my unboxing of the Fujitsu ScanSnap iX1300 desktop scanner. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out my videos in which I review the scanner in action, show you how to install and set up the ScanSnap Home software, and show you how to use it with this scanner. If you end up purchasing a ScanSnap iX1300, please use my link below so that I'll get a small commission from Amazon, which will help support me and my channel. If you want to learn more about other Fujitsu products, please be sure to check out my videos on the Fujitsu ScanSnap iX1600 and the Fujitsu FI8170. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Dillman.